Oh, wow. Okay. Crispy, okay? Hey guys, I am back again, this time with another unboxing. We're gonna be doing the Ninja Speedi Rapid Cooker and Air Fryer. Look at this beauty. I love it. It comes with 3 things inside the box that we're soon gonna find out, but we're going to go ahead and open this up. Love the color of the box, by the way. Very appealing. Yellow makes me already want to cook something, get something to eat. Okay, I see it has a smartphone app, recipes. That is also awesome. All right, look around the box. Like I said, I love the color scheme, like the bright yellow with a hint of blue and red. Just makes you excited to start cooking. So it's a little 360 there for you guys, all right? So boom. We always need a guide. You're always gonna need a recipe guide. I love that. It says more on the front. Okay. All right, so let's get into it. Ninja made sure it came to us very safely. That's good. That is good. Boom. So here is she. She is here. Oh, I love the gray. I love that it's gray. Ninja knows what people want on their counter nowadays. Okay, nothing wrong with black. Always been on black, but I like that this will like look good on anyone's counter. Let me turn it around. Look at her. Oh, wow. Okay. This is genuine excitement, y'all. Do y'all see me? Ew. Okay, so let's get into it. Oh, I love the sleekness of the buttons. I just love it. Okay. All right. Okay, guys, so I mentioned how I loved how this looks, and I really do. I love technology. We're back in, you guys. It does have a QR code, so you can scan it if you're not a reader or don't feel like flipping through here or the instruction book. You can just scan your smartphone right here to get some instructions on how to use this bad boy. Now, first of all, she is bigger than your traditional air fryer, and that is because you're gonna get more meals out of this, okay? So I'm excited about that. Also, you guys, instead of flipping backwards, I think Ninja thought ahead that if you have a low-hanging counter, now you can flip it sideways. I'm also thinking for a child under, let's say, six or something, they're gonna immediately try to go like this, and that's not going to happen. So I think the people over at Ninja, you guys thought ahead of us and introduced a sideways opening air fryer. You guys can see how huge this thing is, okay? This is 6 quarts that can be in here, so you can cook whole meals for your family. I absolutely love that. It does not have your traditional pull-out basket. Those don't hold a lot. This definitely will, okay? So this is all that you have to work with. So that is a lot of space, okay? So I am super excited about this. Boom, it dehydrates, y'all. I didn't even know about that function. It definitely said and more, and it definitely has more. So I love that about them. Easy switch button that you can switch from air fry to cook, easily labeled, ready to go. So we have 12-in-1 functionality. We can choose from speedy meals, steam and crisp, steam and bake, steam, proof and rapid cooker mode, or unlock your air fry mode, bake, roast, air broil, dehydrate. I'm excited about that because I have a separate dehydrator, okay? Sear and saute, slow cook, and sous vide. Okay, look, that's everything. This is pretty much almost the only machine you probably ever need, y'all. I'm not even trying to be extra. That is what it says. You can tell it does a lot in here, all right?
Does it cook rice?
The only thing it does not do is it does not cook rice. It does specifically say do not use it as a rice cooker. So minute rice it is, y'all. I still do that myself, okay? There's nothing wrong with it. So this other thing here is your crisper, because we want crispy meals, okay? If you want something to be crisp, like your vegan chicken maybe, then you're gonna use your crisper mode. And of course, it's gonna tell you in the instructions how to do that, and we will definitely try that out. But this is awesome. You just open this up, remember sideways, boom, stick in the crisper, and it's gonna do its job. To add to the amazing functions of this Ninja air fryer, you guys, it has a 2-tiered cooking function that I have never seen before. So I showed you guys the crisper tray, but you can either put it on the bottom for air frying, just like that, or you pop these little tabs out and it will sit on the top while you can cook some pasta for the kids or for yourself. I'm not calling you childish. You can put the pasta on the bottom to steam, and the crisper tray can bloop, pop right on top here. And it just rests right there while you cook your proteins, your veggie nuggets, whatever you want to do, and your pasta cooks on the bottom. Flip it down, and then you flip this switch here to either air fry or quickly steam. Okay, you guys? So that is super cool. Do that, set it and forget it. Go take a shower, go get ready for something, then you come back, open it up, and dinner will be served. Like, that is amazing. You can make this meal here in under 30 minutes. Complete meal for the family, all in one pot, you guys. Like, that's just unbeatable. Time is precious, okay? All right, let's turn her on. Let's do it. Oh, wow. Okay, this is very user-friendly already. So you can see it's on air fry. It has a temperature here that you can change to whatever you need it to be, depending on what you're cooking. Let's go down to bake and roast. Same thing. You can change the temperature as well as the time. That's me. I'll use my phone, but this is way more convenient. You have broil. So we have dehydrate, which is one of my favorite functions. Okay. We have sear and saute. You can put that on high. Oh, okay. Low. More functions. Same thing. Timer as well. You have slow cook, high or low. More instructions. Oh, okay, buffet.
Buffet mode.
Buffet mode.
I thought it was just going to stop and just
Me
say buff.
too. Buff.
It's got buff mode.
Buff.
Buff mode.
I love that. I love that. And then, of course, you have sous vide, which is one of the latest cooking crazes that I need to get into. Okay, you guys? So, various functions. Start, stop, power on and off. Let's see. Oh, and it says bye.
Bye.
That's so sweet. If you'd like to see me cook with this, make sure you search for the Beyond Chicken versus the fresh plant-based nugget chicken showdown. Oh, wow. Okay, crispy, okay? We are crispy. I loved all the different functions on the Ninja Speedi, and if you want to see more videos, click that follow button. And don't forget to give that thumbs up as well.